Simon's Searchlight is an international study. We realize that for rare genetic conditions like this, it is only a very small fraction of individuals who have those conditions who actually know it. We have banded together over 150 rare genetic conditions because we can use the learnings from each one of those conditions to be smarter and to move faster.
Simon's Searchlight plays a critical role in connecting families, patient advocacy groups, and researchers who are all working on rare genetic neurodevelopmental disorders. Searchlight is part of SAFARI, of the Simons Foundation Autism Research Initiative. SAFARI currently funds over 300 scientists who are working on neurodevelopmental disorders.
In rare disease research, every single number matters. Every single person who signs up for a rare disease research study, every single person who signs up for Searchlight, that number, that one person, that one family, all those numbers matter.
As a clinician, the number one thing I recommend to families who get a diagnosis of a rare genetic disorder is to get involved with those patient advocacy groups, get involved with the research.
We're all lucky enough now to be part of a community that is really actually working towards therapies, cures, supporting each other.
When we start to work with families, we really get a deeper understanding of the children's strengths and also challenges, and we get excellent ideas about better targeted therapies. With children with rare conditions, it's only when you start to see a whole group of children with the same condition that you really start to understand those patterns.
We need to understand everything. We can't just see that small snapshot. And so it's really important for parents and family members to participate in research at any age. Really, you are the ones driving the research and driving our understanding of the disorder.
I've had the great privilege of being able to interact with these families, to learn from them as much as possible, and to understand what are the key areas that we as researchers should be focusing on for these communities.
So far, Simon's Searchlight has 80 publications. What that means is that the valuable information that families and individuals have contributed to the study has been analyzed by high-quality researchers and peer-reviewed and put into journals, and that's the way that all of this information is shared to the research community all over the world.
We're diagnosing individuals at a younger age, and I can definitely see differences generation to generation about being able to start treatments early, get kids on track, and absolutely see them be more independent and accomplish more.
I'm able to give parents answers. I'm able to give them support. And those are things that a lot of child neurologists and pediatric doctors are not really able to do, or certainly weren't able to do in the past.
There's an important belief that the contributions that a family makes to the research is what's absolutely necessary to make the breakthroughs that are going to change the lives, perhaps of your child, perhaps of a child in the future.
We need it to be evidence-based. We need it to be based on science. We need it to be rigorous. We need to make sure that as we're doing this, we're doing the best that we can for your family. Banding together, doing this together, we can get there faster, and that will improve your lives today as we work for the cures for tomorrow.